Hey guys, so today I have a uniboob. That's not the real thing I'm talking about, but I have my single swing. Peekaboo. Single swig is a great box that I can never remember the price of. What's this? Hello, gorgeous. Looks just like me. I hate it when models copy me. Like, for real. What is this? $40 gift for you. Add some swag to your closet. A lawn swag. If anyone wants this. They probably don't sell Fatty McFatty clothing. She needs a cheeseburger. Someone needs to feed that old girl some food. She hungry. Okay. Single swag. Win your next box. Post a photo of you on Instagram or Facebook using tag @singleswag. We pick a winner each month. Oh, love yourself and never settle. Blah, 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 blah. And then here it says, don't be afraid to give yourself everything you've ever wanted. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. Okay, so that gift card is part of it. Okay, that's cool. I've never heard of the company, but that's cool. That's cool. So, let's go. Let's see what we got. First, I have Sunset Park Herbal Honey. I just had to hide a burp. It's a candle. It's very pretty. Look how pretty that is. I can't have candles because cats and dogs. I like wax melts. Wax melts are my jam. Again, I got a little bit of fun on my, on that part. Okay. This is an all-natural, slow-burning candle in a decorative tin. Has, let's see what it is. It has a clean and alluring, what's going on, Candy? And alluring floral and aromatic scent. This smells fucking amazing. This shit smells. This is some good shit right here. This is the shit right here. Oh, man, that smells good. Okay, next we have Banter Beauty. Set of 5 under eye masks. Oh, that candle was $18. 5-piece under eye mask set visibly brighten and hydrate the skin around your eyes while reducing puffiness and minimizing the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, and wrinkles. With the set of 5 single-use under eye masks, relax and enjoy a spa-like experience while enhancing skin elasticity. This also is for $18. And, they look like eye masks. They're favorable. They're cinco les cinco. Okay. Next we have Chloe Emerald Cold Therapy Ice Roller. And it is an ice roller. I have one. It does, when sinus season comes and you roll that on your face, it feels great. Okay. Sorry. I got that allergies. And they have me right back. That's why my nose is so red. And I was sexy. Don't tell anyone how sexy I am. I don't want all these people rushing towards me. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Enjoy the benefits of professional cold therapy from the comfort of your home while on the go with this therapeutic beauty essential. Apply to skin on face or body. For best results, leave your ice roller in the freezer for at least 4 hours prior to use. I don't like cold so I don't ever put mine in the freezer. I have a pink one I got from like BoxyCharm or something. But it does feel really, really good when you're all sinusy and gross. I know a lot of people use them to put on their serums, or put their serums on and just kind of scrubby dubby blah. Oh yeah, now this is the shit. Oh, did I tell you how much that thing was? $26. Okay, now this is the good stuff. This is the important shit of the backs, okay? Okay. What is this? Mr. Brownie 2-pack, $4. Indulge in these delectable, rich, and moist brownies made with real Belgian chocolate and other premium ingredients. Enjoy right out of the package or follow the heating instructions. Oh, we just went to Culver's and I'm full. But this will stay by my desk, so my fat ass can eat it tomorrow. Chocolate does not get put to waste. And our jewelry piece. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm just a big sniffling, gross, icky head. Okay, what is this? This is a Vertical Collective Celeste Lariat necklace. Oh, it's cute. Now I'm just showing you the back. That's nice of me, huh? Good grief. I can't breathe. This chic, versatile, silver-plated, long-layered necklace offers an easy-to-wear, stylish look featuring 4-strand layers with round hammered pendant and celestial moon charm. Okay. And this does have an extender. God, this is really fucking beautiful. This is really, really pretty. I'm not mad about this at all. Like, not even a little bit. Ooh. Looking at that falls right in the booby cleavage. Look how cute that is. Hold on, let me tip. Well, this probably isn't the best length for me because it just disappears between the girdles. It's okay, it's a sports bra. But look how pretty that is. Ooh, mama like. I love this. It is beautimous. Beautimous. That is... My nose is running and running and running. And I know you know because you can hear it. That is $52. That is so cute. Oh, I like it so much. And I like it's all one because I'm a loser, baby. St. Lux Liquid Glow. I know that's disgusting. I'm so gross. This concentrated cream glow is a perfect addition to your beauty routine. It can be used as a base for your foundation, mix in with your foundation, or even by itself for a subtle glow. It's in pink. Can't go wrong with pink. Oh, it looks so pretty. I don't know if you can see all the pink sparklies. I've been trying to find one of these that don't make me look like a dried out old hag to give me that glow. Oh, this just kind of disappears right in there. But look, you can still see it. Ooh, I'm going to have to try this. For sure. We're still going. Okay. Scratched. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that 3, 2, 1. Did I even read anything about it, or did I just get excited and open it? Oh yeah, it's $24. Now this, what are you? What you be? Valuta currency, gold, oro, grapefruit, cassis, whatever the fuck that is. What are you? You are da-dun, 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 da-dun. $22, this Lush Moisturizing Cuticle Cream with antibacterial and moisture retaining properties will leave your skin a silky smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep, hydrating experience, massage lotion into hands and fingers, paying close attention to the cuticle areas. Let's just take a little sniffer, shall we? Let's have a sniff. I'm pretty sure it smells good. We just do this business. I have cuticle oil and everything else, and I always forget about them and don't ever use them. And that's a shame because I always have hangnails because of my dry, nasty, gross skin. I tried to be better. My boobs are just eating this necklace. This is what happens when everything is just smushed together. I got boobs. What can you do? Oil and you. Carrot broccoli chia, $47. Your skin craves food. This highly nutritive serum made with carrot, broccoli, and chia brings together a perfect balance of vitamins A, C, and E and fatty acids to help reverse signs of aging through antioxidant superfood properties. All this stuff smells good. Okay. Strengthen the skin's natural barrier to help repair dryness on the skin's surface and maintain hydration. Hydration. Why does this look like it's not filled up all the way? Oh, it's still safety sealed. I guess that's just how she was bottled. Okay. I do like me a serum. Or 800. I need to start putting some on my nasty elbows. I have the driest, grossest skin in the world. So disgusting. This smells kind of like eucalyptus. Whatever. You know what I'm talking about, right? And this is the last thing I do believe we have. Jelly Pong Pong. Jelly Pong Pong. Rosebud Lips Overnight Lip Conditioning Mask. A leave-on lip mask that works overnight to infuse moisture and suppleness into skin so you wake up with softer, fully-looking rosebud lips. Formulated with the rich blend of sweet orange oil, shea butter, and orange peel wax for longer adherence onto the lips to combat a dry, flaky skin in the morning. Okay. This is the $26. So either 26 or 24, I can't tell you. This is what it looks like. Oh God, hiccups. What next? Anything other bodily functions? Safe to seal. It's a Bellaboo. I just want to smell it. It smells kind of sweet. Like some sweet fruit. It looks like this. Oh, Oh, I thought in that camera it looked like I was just splooging it everywhere. Go in, slurp it up. Yeah, I'm gross, I know. Send me to my room. Okay, so that is the single swag box for this month, April. It is April, right? And I didn't add anything up ahead of time because, well, if you really must know, I am a bonehead and didn't think of it. No, galleries, pictures. I got a new phone. Oh, you shake your heart. It's 21. Galaxy, sorry. Galaxy. I'm one of those naughty Android users. Let's see, calculator in front of my face. Time for Smart Candy to make an appearance. Okay, we got 47 plus 18 plus 26 plus 4. Oh, that brownie. Plus 18 plus 24 plus 22 plus 24 plus 52. So that's $235. If you include that $40 gift card, then it's, I can't math, $275. And I think this box is only like in the 30s. I love this box. I mean, I would never probably ever buy anything like this for myself, but I'm so glad it's here because it's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. And maybe my other chin will disappear a little bit so you can see the whole thing. I'll just have to use it as a reminder to hold my chins up. Hold your chin up high and proud, loveless. So that is it. That is the wonderful Single Swag. I think it was a great box. I love it. I am so happy with it. No complaints out of me. It's a miracle. I'm not complaining. Y'all be good to each other and make sure you wash your hands, wash your ass, and just be nice or close.